Friends, today in this video we shall try to solve the model question paper of EEG 6. So without any delay, let's start the video at once. First question: when did Indian Sepoy Mutiny take place? Indian Sepoy Mutiny took place in 1857. So the answer is 1857. Next question: what is about the Victorian age? Victorian age was started in 1832 and it ended in 1901. This age was an age of industrial revolution and imperialism, and in this age science and technology was developed, and this age was very rich in literature. Okay, next question: who is the author of On the Origin of Species, published in 1859? The author of On the Origin of Species is Charles Darwin. So the answer is Charles Darwin is the author of On the Origin of Species. Next question: which novel of Charles Dickens is a poignant account of the drastic effect of utilitarianism and the deadening consequences of tutelage on utilitarian principles? Hard Times, written by Charles Dickens, is a poignant account of the drastic effect of utilitarianism. So here the answer is Hard Times. Next question: what was Oxford movement? Oxford movement took place in the beginning of the 19th century, and this movement sought renewal of the Catholic thoughts in opposition of Protestant tendencies. We know that there are two beliefs in Christianity, Catholic and Protestant. The Oxford movement wanted to renew the Catholic belief and it opposed Protestant tendencies. Okay, the next question: who is the writer of a fundamental work, namely the Seven Lamps of Architecture? John Ruskin is the writer of a fundamental work, namely Seven Lamps of Architecture. So here the answer is John Ruskin. Next question: who has invented Cartall sonnet and sprung rhythm? Manly Hopkins invented Cartall sonnets and sprung rhythm. So the answer is Manly Hopkins. Next question: on whose death is Thyrsis written? Thyrsis is written on the death of Arthur Hugh Clough. Arthur Hugh Clough was a friend of Matthew Arnold. He died an unnatural death at the age of 42. So to commemorate his death, Matthew Arnold wrote the poem Thyrsis. Okay, next question: what does Hopkins mean by instress? Instress means unseen force or energy that holds the inkscape together. Now you must be curious to know what is inkscape. Inkscape means the characteristics that gives an object the uniqueness. Now next question: who is considered to be the first ever detective novelist in English? Wilkie Collins is considered to be the first ever detective novelist in English. Answer is Wilkie Collins. Next question: who is called the last of the great Victorians? George Meredith is called the last of the great Victorians. So here the answer is George Meredith. The next question: what is the poetic form of Tennyson's Ulysses? Tennyson's Ulysses is a dramatic monologue which is written in blank verse. So the answer is dramatic monologue in blank verse. Next question: what type of novel is David Copperfield? This question can be answered in a several way. David Copperfield can be said a Bildungsroman. It can be said coming of age story. It can be said an autobiographical novel. You must be eager to know what a Bildungsroman is. Bildungsroman is a novel in which the moral and psychological growth of the protagonist is shown. Next question, whose work mention the Marshalsea prison so frequently? The answer is Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens' work mention the Marshalsea prison so frequently. Next question, the figure of the fallen woman is epitomized by which character in the novel David Copperfield? The answer is Emily. The figure of fallen woman is epitomized by Emily in the novel David Copperfield. Next question, what is the title of the storm scene in chapter 55 of David Copperfield? Tempest is the title of the storm scene in the chapter 55 of David Copperfield. So the answer is Tempest. Next question, how old is Gabriel at the novel's opening? This question has been taken from Far From the Madding Crowd. We see in the novel that Gabriel is 28 years old at the beginning. So the answer is 28 years. Next question, what town does Bathsheba go after rejecting Gabriel's proposal? After rejecting Gabriel's proposal, Bathsheba goes to Weatherbury. The answer is Weatherbury. Next question, where from the title Far From the Madding Crowd comes? The title Far From the Madding Crowd has been taken from Thomas Gray's famous poem Elegy written in a country churchyard. So the answer is Thomas Gray's Elegy written in a country churchyard. Next question, what is meant by Wessex? Wessex is a realistic dream country in Thomas Hardy's novels. We have read about Wessex in the Anglo-Saxon period. The name Wessex has been taken from that. So the answer is Wessex is a realistic dream country in Thomas Hardy's novel. Next question, how many lectures are there in Heroes and Hero Worship of Carlyle? There are 6 lectures in Hero and Hero Worship of Carlyle. The answer is 6. Next question, what was Ulysses' son's name? Telemachus was the name of Ulysses' son. The answer is Telemachus. Next question, Ulysses is the king of what island? Ithaca is the name of Ulysses' island. The answer is Ithaca. Next question, who is the poet addressing in the first stanza of the poem Break, Break, Break? In the first stanza of the poem Break, 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 the poet addresses the sea. So here the answer is sea. Next question, the sea of faith was once true at the full, but now I only hear its melancholy, long withdrawing roar, retreating to the breath. What is the metaphor used here? Here we can see a metaphorical comparison between sea and faith. What is metaphor? A metaphor means a comparison between two things, but there will be no comparing words like such as, etc. So here the answer is metaphorical comparison between sea and faith. Next question, which of the following imagery was included in Dover Beach? This question seems to be incomplete, but we can say that there are several imageries in Dover Beach, like visual imagery, tactile imagery, auditory imagery, etc. So we can say visual imagery, tactile imagery and auditory imagery are included in Dover Beach. Next question, what is the weather like at the start of Porphyria's Lover? At the start of Porphyria's Lover, we can see a stormy and rainy weather. So the answer is stormy and rainy weather. Next question, Thomas Carlyle calls whom as the saint of poetry? Thomas Carlyle calls Dante as the saint of poetry? The answer is Dante. Next question, what is the pseudonym of Charlotte Bronte? The pseudonym of Charlotte Bronte is Quarrar. The answer is Quarrar. Next question, who is a Byronic hero in the novel Jane Eyre? Edward Rochester is the Byronic hero in the novel Jane Eyre. You should know what a Byronic hero is. Byronic hero means a melancholy and rebellious hero. He commits a grave wrong thing in the past, a serious wrong thing. Okay, so the answer is Edward Rochester.